what do we have today in here? So I got this for a Christmas present, and it's pretty neat. But if you go out and you need wood or something, you know, cut up some wood for a little campfire or something like that, or you need to trim a little tree or bush or something, I also use it to trim my palm trees because it's perfect for that. And it comes just like this. This comes with a 24-volt battery, FEZD. I don't know what that means, but anyway, it's 24 volt, and you simply put it on here like that, and that's it. It's got a safety button here. It's got a trigger here, and when you push that in and pull the trigger, that happens. You don't want to be around that blade. It's sharp. It does a good job. Let's see what else comes with it. Let's see. So it comes with a battery charger base. It comes with a battery charger. You just plug it in there, right there, and plug that into the wall, wherever you have available. And it also comes with a wrench, an extra chain, which is cool. And it comes with a handy dandy manual here, which I have not had it out of the package. And then it tells you all about it. Please read instructions carefully before use. And it has some diagrams there and shows you everything about it. But I just wanted to share it with you. That was my present that I got, and I'm just now getting around to making a video because I've been very busy. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll try to find a link and put the link down below in the description if you would like to buy one of these. Don't forget to check out my cups and t-shirts down in the merch tray. Hey, you guys have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you again soon.